Thank you, sir. Now I would request Professor P.S. Prakash, the Government Council member, to share a few words with us.
Dr. Manwani, Professor Raghavaya, Professor Y.P. Rao, Professor Sridhar Murthy, I don't see him anywhere. Okay. Members of the faculty, staff members, dear students, and also I see some alumni moving around. Ladies and gentlemen, when I saw my name in the list of speakers, the first thought which came to my mind was, oh, no, not again. I'm sure those who have heard my speeches earlier will have the same thought, oh no, not again. Frankly, I'm very uncomfortable in giving such speeches. And I thought, for a change, I will not give any speech today. So with your permission, I would like to undertake a small activity instead of a speech involving some of the students. And this lights be focus somewhere else, bothering me a lot. Okay. How many of you have attended my class in marketing management? Can you raise your hands? I don't see many people. Oh, there. Okay, anyway. I had taught you the concept of marketing in my first class. And I talked about 3 steps in the marketing process. Does anybody remember these 3 steps? Anyone? Gopal. Okay. Yeah. What are the 3 steps?
Understand the customer needs.
First is identifying the customer. Yeah.
Identify,
Yeah.
understand, and
Yes.
fulfill.
Excellent. Now let's assume that you are sitting in the chair of Professor Sridhar Murthy as the head of NSB, and you are now undertaking these tasks, 3 steps. Identifying the customers. Now, who do you think is the customer for NSB? Students. Okay, let me start with another question. What is the product of NSB? The students are the product of NSB, right? You are the raw material which comes in and you pass out of NSB as finished products. And this is marketed to whom? Who are the customers of these finished products? The companies, the organizations which are going to recruit you are the customers for National School of Business. Now, if you have to satisfy their needs, the next step in your mind as you are sitting in the chair of Professor Sridhar Murthy will be, what is it that these organizations are looking for in our students? And can we impart these characteristics in our students so that they will become more valuable? Now, you have done that. You have worked out your marketing strategy, implemented your strategy, and you have started supplying your products to the customers. Now you want to understand, where do you stand? After some time, customer relationship plays a very important role. Now you want to understand, where do you stand with respect to your competitors? And that's a very crucial part, because that is what will show you whether you have succeeded in satisfying your customers. Now let us, I'm sure quite a few of you would have, maybe all of you would have heard, last month there was a report ranking NSB among several business schools in India. What was the ranking of NSB? 24. Who did this ranking? None of you remember. Anybody remembers? Sorry? Okay? Business Baron. Who was that? Very good. Have any one of you heard about this magazine? Don't even remember. Only one student among all remembered this magazine. So you can imagine what is the standard of this magazine. And if somebody says Business Baron has ranked NSB in the 24th position, what is the thought which will come to you? कोई आलतू फालतू business magazine होगा. Don't even know what magazine it is. What is the standard of that magazine? And what is the value of this kind of ranking when it is done by this kind of an unknown magazine? Doesn't it come to your mind? You're all quiet. Does it come to your mind or no? Yeah, of course. When you are ranked in such an unknown magazine, what value does that ranking have? Many of you may not be aware of the value. This magazine, Business Baron, is a magazine which is published from Mumbai in a place called Tardeb. And this is specifically targeted to the managing directors and CEOs of all the companies in India. Every issue has a write-up on one of the managing directors who has come up in his life, and the whole life history of that managing director is given in each issue. And in fact, all the issues will have a prominent photograph of the CEO or the managing director whose report is there inside. And now, this magazine has done a survey among all these MDs and CEOs and then ranked NSB as the 24th. Do you now know the significance of this report? It has a link with what I mentioned earlier. Now when you say that the customers of NSB are the organizations, who in this organization is the person who is most important? Giving clearances for campus recruitments, giving clearances for the number of people to be recruited. Who is that person in the organization who gives all these approvals and clearances? CEO or the MD of the organization. Can you imagine if this kind of a magazine, which is meant for the CEOs and MDs, and the ranking is done by the CEOs and MDs, and these CEOs and MDs are your customers, the NSB's customers, and they have ranked NSB as the 23rd among several others. If you see the number of business schools which are named after NSB, you will be surprised. In fact, I was shocked because quite a few who I thought were excellent institutions in providing excellent quality students to the industry, they were all well below National School of Business. I think this is a great achievement. I would like all of you to stand up and applaud the achievement by NSPNs under the leadership of Professor Sridhar Murthy. Before you sit down, one more activity. Please don't sit down. I would also like all of you to acknowledge the role played, the contribution made individually by Professor Sridhar Murthy by 3 cheers with full strength. 3 cheers to Professor Sridhar Murthy. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. Thank you.